Lesson 34. Migakimasu brush how teeth. Komitatimasu assemble. Orimasu bend, fold, break, snap. Kizukimasu notice, become aware of things left behind. Tsukimasu put in soy sauce. Shoryoshimasu a key be found. Oshite ask a question. Sashimasu put up an umbrella. Support Sports Club. Oshiro Castle. Setsumeishu explanatory pamphlet instruction book. Zu figure drawing. Sen line. Yajiroshi arrow sign. Koro black noun. Shero white noun. Aka red noun. Au blue noun. Kon navy blue, dark blue noun. Kero yellow. Chairo brown. Shoyu soya soy sauce. Susu sauce Worcestershire sauce. Okiakusan visitor, guest, customer, client. Ka or Yube last night. Sake a short while. Sadu tea ceremony. Ocha otatimasu make green tea at a tea ceremony. Saki ni first ahead. Nosimasu place on, load onto. Kore de ii desu ka? Is this alright? Ikaga desu ka? How is it? Nigai, bitter. Oyako donburi, a bowl of cooked rice with chicken and egg. Zairyu, material ingredient. Bun, portion for, used for indicating quantity. Guramu, gram. Ko, counter for small objects. Tamanigi, onion. Yunbo no ichi, 1/4. Choumeryu, seasoning, flavoring. Teketo na uukisan ni in right size. Nabe, pan, pot. Heat, fire, heating. Hinikakimasu, put on the stove. Nimasu, cook, boil. Neimasu, be cooked, be boiled. Donburi, bowl. Tachimasu, pass, time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!